In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your engine splash shield on your Mercedes-Benz C300. It's located underneath the front of the car. We're going to remove our engine splash shield. We have aftermarket fasteners. You're going to have something different, most likely, but we're going to use an 8mm socket to remove our 8 bolts. There's 2 here. There's 2 on the other side, exactly in the same place. And then there's going to be 4 here on the back side of the engine splash shield. Over here, it doesn't appear to have anything. It's just held up with this flap on the bumper. Those 2 are removed. Remove the other 2 on the other side. Now that we've removed those 4 bolts, we're going to remove these 4. Keep a hand on the engine splash shield. And now we're going to remove it. To install your engine splash shield, you're going to put your flap inside the bumper. Position it into place and make sure you have this lined up with this. Once you're there, you're going to install 1 bolt, hold it in place, and then install the rest. Now you can do your 2 side bolts, 1 on this side and 1 on the other. And now you're going to put those 2 in on the other side as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.